Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the machine and checking materials so you avoid instant thread stress. First, inspect the thread type and install the correct needle size. A dull or wrong needle cuts fibers. Once done, open the bobbin area and remove lint with a brush or compressed air. Small fragments create tension spikes. Rethread the top path slowly, making sure the thread seats in each guide and tension disc. These immediate steps stop many cuts before you continue. Next, you focus on tension and fabric feed because uneven pull is a common cutter. Adjust upper tension one click at a time, test on scrap, and make sure stitches are balanced. Too tight will snap the thread, too loose tangles it. Also verify presser foot pressure and that feed dogs are level. Fabric slipping or bunching raises friction. Confirm the bobbin is wound evenly and seated correctly so it unwinds smoothly. Once these are set, sew slowly and listen for strain. Finally, you complete adjustments and handle persistent problems decisively. Replace old or coarse thread with a good quality, smooth thread and change the needle after 4-8 hours of sewing. Blunt points cut fibers. Inspect metal parts for burrs, needle plate, hook, or shuttle. Because tiny nicks shred thread, file gently or replace the part. If thread still cuts, run controlled tests using different fabric and thread to isolate whether material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.